Hello children, welcome to my channel and Radha online classes. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is HCF, highest common factors. Okay, that is important for class 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th class. So all the children just watch the video so that if you are having any small problem while doing the HCF, then that will be, I am sure that will be clear. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को वीडियोस मिल पाए और वो HCF के हर एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाए. Hope you will do this. So let us start with our today's topic, that is HCF, highest common factor. We also call this highest common factor as greatest common divisor. Suppose any number is there like 12. 2 into 6. 6 is the highest common factor. Means firstly it will divide by 2, then by 6. These two will fully divide, completely divide 12. So these two are the divisor, or we can say these are the factors of 12. Okay, that is why we are also calling it greatest common divisor. Means in these two factors, which is the greatest factor that will divide 12 is 6. So let us discuss this HCF. While finding out HCF, whenever we are calculating HCF, we need some technique. So that two methods that we are using are, first is prime factorization. We can find the HCF of two or more numbers by using prime factorization. And the second method is used as division method. So one by one I'll tell you both, I'll explain you both. So let us come first on prime factorization. In the previous video you have done this prime factorization with me. Now let us come to HCF by using prime factorization. Let us take a number. I'm just rubbing this. Let us take a number. Suppose I have taken one number, that is 144, and one more number we have to take, that is what? 198 I have taken. Okay. These two are the numbers. Find. Question is, find HCF of these two by prime factorization. Now how you will do it? See, prime factorization means we need prime factors of this number and this number. So separately you have to do the LCM of both this to find out what are the factors of this. Okay, so 144 and what? 198 I have written here. So earlier also I told you, don't start from here, start from this now. First is 1 is very small number, it will not go with this. We have to take the two numbers. So 2, how many times? 7 times 14 will go. 2 sevens are 14. Then 4 is there. 2 twos are 4. Okay. Then 2. 7. 2, you have to divide it. Okay. 2 कितने सा 7 होता है 7? नहीं. 2 3s are 6. So how much is left? 1 is left. So just shift it here. That is 1 tens and 2 ones. Now it is 12. Now 2 6 are 12. Right children? अगर आपसे ऐसे नहीं होता, you can divide in the side and do it like this. 2 3s are 6 and 1 2 2 6 are 12. Like this also you can do, but try to do in this manner. Okay. Then come to the next. Again 3. 3, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 4 is greater. So what we have to do? Take 2 1s are 2. 3 में से 2 गया. What is left? 1 is left. Shift 1 that side. Now it is not 6, it is 16. 2 कितने से 16 होगा? 2 8s are 16. Right? Now 2 again unit place is 8. 2 9s are 18. Now 3. 3 threes are 9, then 3 ones are 3. जब तक 1 नहीं आ जाता, we are doing this. Okay, so we got the factors of 144, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Right? We got this. Now come to the next. This one 198, again with 2 unit place 2. 19 है, 19 है, that means 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 18, yes, 2 9 are 18. How much is left? 1 is left, so put 1 here, 1 here. Now this is 2 9s are 18, right? This is clear to you. 2 9s are 18. एक बच गया, एक उधर दे दोगे, tens वाला उधर चला गया तो 8 will become 18. Okay, this is 18. 1 tens and 8 ones, that is 18. Now 2 से तो अब नहीं जाएगा. This will not go with 2. Why? Because unit place is what? Odd number. So let us see 3 से जाएगा कि नहीं. 9 plus 9 is what? 9. 9 plus 9 is what? 18. 18. So this is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. Clear? Now 3. Again 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. That will go with 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now children, 11. 11 is what? Prime number. You have read about prime number and composite number. Prime number will not go with any other number. Okay, it will only go with itself and 1. So we'll get here 11 ones are 11 now. This is over. So what are the factors of 198? 198 के factors क्या होंगे? 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Right children? Now see. What are the common factors? Firstly, you have to find out what are the factors. Second step is you have to find the common factors. See the common factor. This is the common factor in दोनों में जो आता है. Then here 3, yes, 1 3 is there, and this 1 3. Okay, and one more 3 is there, and this 3. Means common factor आपको क्या क्या मिल गए? Common factors are 2 into 3 into 3. That means you have to multiply it, then you will get the HCF. Okay, HCF of 144 and 198. That is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is that number. 18 एक ऐसा number है. 18 is that divisor that will divide 144 and 198. This is the greatest divisor. This is the greatest factor with which these two numbers will get completely divided. Okay children, I think this is clear to you. So children, I have taken one more example for you, that is I have taken 3 numbers. Now this time, that is you have to find out the HCF of 54, 108 and 144. So let us take the factors of these 3 numbers first. Okay, we are using which method? We are using prime factorization for finding what? HCF. Now see this one. यहाँ पे क्या है? 4 means even number. It will go with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. Now it will become 14. 2 7s are 14. Now 27. 27 now. 7 unit place 2. With 2 it will not go. Now with 3. 7 plus 2 9 होता है. 9 3 से divide होता है. 3 9s are 27. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. 1 tens will go to 4. It will become 14. 2 7s are 14. Here what you have to do? You have to divide and write. 2 27s are 54. Now 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So what are the factors of 54? That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we get the factor of 54. Now let us come to the next. Here again unit place is 8. So it will go with 2. 2 से first number is less than 2 नहीं जाएगा, हमें दो numbers लेने पड़ेंगे. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Now with 2 again. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. 7s are 14. Again with 3. 2 से नहीं जाएगा, unit place is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 से चला जाएगा. 3 9s are 27. Now 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3 1s are 3. So children, I think this is very simple and clear to you. Okay. Now come to this. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now let us come to the next. Again see the unit place. This is 4. It will go with 2. One important thing. All the numbers which you are writing here must be the prime number. It is prime factorization. Okay. So firstly we have taken 2. 2 कितने सा? 2 7s are 14. Now 2 2s are 4. Now 2. 2 कितने सा? 3s are 6. It is 12 now. 2 6s are 12. Now again with 2. 2 18s are 36. Now with 2. 2 9s are 18. Now with 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So we get the factors 1 2 3 4 times 2. 1 2 3 and 4 times 2 and 3 how many times? 2 times 3. So children, what are the common factors? Let us see the common factors. Common factors are this 2. उसके बाद आप देख रहे हो this one 3 3 and this 3. Okay. This and one more 3 is there. See here and this one 3. Okay. This. So what are the common factors? Common factors are 2 into 3 into 3. So what is the HCF? So you will write HCF of which three numbers? 54, 108 and 144 is equal to what? 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is that factor which will divide 54, 108 and 144. This is the greatest number with which all the three numbers will get divided. Okay, this is known as HCF or highest common factor or greatest common divisor. This is the greatest divisor with which these three numbers will get divided. So children, I think prime factorization method is clear to you for finding out HCF. Now let us come to the next method, that is, so children look here. Now we have to do the HCF by using division method. This is the second method. First was that prime factorization and second method for finding HCF is what? Division method. Division method, I am telling you, of three numbers. Okay. HCF of, you have to find the HCF. Okay. Find HCF by using division method. Okay. You have to find the HCF by using division method here. Now in division method, what you have to do? See, पहले हम इन दोनों नंबर को भी ले सकते हैं या इन दोनों नंबर को ले सकते हैं. दैट इज योर विश. ओके. वैसे हमें पहले छोटे नंबर और एक बड़े नंबर को लेना चाहिए. लेट अस टेक these two. Let us take these two. We have taken. Now this is the solution. Let's divide what? Or HCF of 54 and 108. Okay. For this we have to divide and write 108. बड़ा नंबर है, बीच में रहेगा. This is 54. So 54 कितने जा? 54. See, 8 is there. That means 54. I think 2s are. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Yes, 2s are 108. 8. So it will go with 2. So what you have to keep in mind is we have to find out 0 as its remainder. 0 remainder आने के बाद whatever will be the divisor ना, that is the HCF. जो divisor होगा जिससे वो 0 आ रहा है, that divisor is the HCF of that two numbers, right? अब 54 और 108 divisor is 54. With 54 twos we get what? Remainder 0, means HCF of these two numbers is equal to what? 54, right? It's clear to you? Next, now you have to find out now HCF of this divisor and what? 144. Divisor means HCF. HCF of these two we get 54. Now with 54 you have to do the factor of this one, 144. Okay, let us see. Again divide 144. Now this is what? 54. 54 2s are to this much है ना? 2s are only it will go 108. This is what? 14. 14 में से 8 गया 6 and 3 is left. Okay. Now this is what? 54. ये चीज जो है कहाँ आ जाती है? This will go to this side. Okay. इसका डिवाइजर जो है इसके लिए क्या बन जाता है? डिविडेंड बन जाता है. डिवाइजर will become dividend for the remainder. Right? Now 36. Ones are 36. Is it visible to you? Let us do it here. What? 144 and 54. This one, 2s are 108. What you'll get? 36. Okay. 36. ये 54 कहाँ आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. This will become this side. Now find this one. 36. Ones are 36. What is left? See, minus करेंगे. 14 minus 6 is 8, and this is 4 minus 3 is 1. Now this will now go to this side. ये आया यहाँ पे, ये आ गया यहाँ पे. Okay. Now means the divisor will become the dividend and remainder will become the divisor. So 18 कितने are? 2s are 36. It will completely divide. So what is the last divisor with which we get remainder 0 is 18. So what is the HCF? That is 18. So I think this is clear to you. Only one thing you have to keep in mind. ये जो divisor होता है, ये if with the divisor we get 0 the remainder, then that divisor becomes the HCF. इस 54 से remainder 36 आया. Then with 36 this divisor become the dividend. अब फिर हमने divide किया, what will get? 18. Again remainder हमें मिल गया. Remainder मिल गया means for the next step this become the divisor. फिर ये जो remainder था that will come to this side. Not remain. This will come to that side. Now 18 कितने are? 2s are 36 and 0 remainder will get. So which is the highest common number with which these three numbers will get divided is what? 18. Okay. Whenever there is given three numbers, firstly you have to take of 2. Okay. Then what is the HCF of that 2 number? You have to divide. You have to find the HCF of that HCF and the other third one. Okay. Now, so these are the two methods. These are the two methods of HCF. HCF can be find out by using these two methods. First is prime factorization, second is division method. So for this you have to try some more sums. So try it by yourself or take the help of your book, textbook. Many questions are given. If you are facing any problem in these two methods, you can ask me in the comment box. So children, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. I'll tell you about the LCM. That is also very important topic for all the kids. Whether the child is in 7th class, 8th class, then also they are facing problem in this HCF and LCM. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये वीडियो सिर्फ 6th क्लास के बच्चे देखें या 7th क्लास के बच्चे देखें या 3rd क्लास के बच्चे देखें, 4th क्लास के बच्चे देखें. ये सभी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप इसको एक बार जरूर देखिए. आई होप कि आपकी क्वेरीज जो हैं, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं, आपके छोटे छोटे डाउट्स जो हैं वो क्लियर होंगे. विद दिस होप आई विल मीट यू अगेन in the next video. I'll tell you about the LCM. That is also very important, so don't miss my video. Be with me in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, please. Press the link so that you can get the new videos. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.